We're here today because we've been running a project called Embedding Creative Practice as Research. And the idea behind this was if you bring academics and artists together, can they be funded to create projects that think through collaboration, that think about how you present research in new ways? We've just had a showcase today, which was really exciting because we got an audience of people engaging with the project, thinking about maybe what the future of the projects could be. And I think already we're starting to get a sense that there's a kind of a new energy around these. There's a way of making these relevant to the campus, but also to like the wider space of research and of cultural practice.
One of the things that's really important to us is centering artists in the process of co-creation. Artists come in from the beginning, they're contributing to the project centrally, they are defining terms and defining the work to be done. So it's a real effort in collaboration.
So the aim of our project in round 2 became the process of building a vibrant, pluralistic, cross-disciplinary local research culture that fosters open exchange and welcomes the new perspectives generated at the intersection of creative and critical praxis. And our process for doing this was to create 3 workshops and an open call to researchers within the College of Arts and Humanities and Earth Institute to join us. We also invited artists from different artistic practices to join us for workshops 2 and 3, so that they were involved in the process of co-creating groups and projects and not seen as an add-on to facilitate an academic's research vision.
And I guess the fact nobody who participate, ourselves included, who participate in the workshop was an expert in all 3 say areas like science, plant science, needlework, poetry. Like that really helped in a way, like no one was an expert in everything.
When this opportunity came up to collaborate on this project, I thought it was a brilliant idea because I think there's a gap in the whole ecosystem around small-scale funding for generating new collaborations between artists and researchers. So this was something that I think we need more and more attention on the climate crisis and the ecological crisis. So bringing together our researchers and arts and humanities researchers and artists and creative practitioners seemed like a really good approach.
I think one of the really striking things about engaging with this process was it reminded me that like however well we know our research, there are always new ways of thinking about it. There are always new ways of communicating it. And it's really sort of encouraging actually when you think that you're an expert in your field to suddenly have to be working with somebody else and thinking about it in a completely new way. It gives it a kind of excitement and it gives it a kind of energy that's really enriching. And I'm hoping that this is a process that we see replicated and maybe expanded as the future goes on.